Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use Microsoft OneNote. It is a program provided by Microsoft Office to help you keep track of your notes, to help you upload PDFs, edit them, write on them, draw on them, whatever. And it's really handy because you end up not using any paper, and it's right at your fingertips basically. It is also available in an app form. Well, it's also available online. You can get it on your phone, your tablet, whatever. So today I'm just going to show you this sample. So let's start. I'm going to name my page sample. And as you can see here, this part right here is set up very similarly to Microsoft Word. So let's just choose the font Algerian. Looks pretty cool. And we're going to upgrade the font to size 36 so that everybody can see it. And we're going to write simple font here. So as you can see, it looks just like Microsoft Word. And so we're going to highlight it just for the sake of highlighting. Oops. All right. And it's basically the same thing. All right. So let's go over to View. Now what's really cool about this is it's set up same way as Microsoft Word with the immersive reader and the reading view, but you can change the page color. So let's change this to silver. Very cool looking. And you can insert a table, a file, like upload a PDF or anything, a picture, a link, so you can do like a YouTube video. You can insert audio, symbols, very neat, like math here. You can do math, which I'll show you how to do that in just a second, and an emoji. So let's do this cool emoji right there. So this is what's really neat about Microsoft OneNote, is not only can you write in it like you would a Word document, but you can write on it like you would a piece of paper, but it's digital. So I'm writing on a computer, so it's not going to be as pretty, but let's write sample. It's the word of the day. And we can change the ink color here. You can change the thickness. Let's go ahead and highlight it. Try to do as straight across as I can. There we go. So I'm going to show you guys a really cool feature. It's called the math feature. So let's write out 4x plus 2 equals 10. All right. So now we're going to go over to this little box here. It's this box with the little lines around it. And what we're going to do is we're going to select that section there. And we're going to press math. So it says it's not right, so let's go in and fix this. Right here, this section right here is not an A, it's a number 2. There we go. And then let's include this number 10 here. Can't forget about that guy. And there we have it. 4x plus 2 equals 10. And let's go back in, try to get this guy in there really quick. Erase. All right. Four x plus 2, and you can generate a practice quiz, which I think is really neat. So there you go. That's basically Microsoft OneNote. It's very interesting, very helpful, and I hope this tutorial helped you all out. Thank you.